Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Beauty Talks AI. My name is Sampo Parkkinen. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Revieve. And today we're going to talk about something a bit different, meaning we're actually going to go through an example mathematically of how do AI-powered customer experience solutions for beauty retailers and beauty brands drive real revenue growth. Now, what you see in front of me on the screen are actual revenue per visit multipliers across e-commerce and in-app that we see through our work with more than 120 beauty brands and retailers actually happen as a consequence of AI-powered customer experiences. So just to break it down for you, what this table means is that if you are somebody using an AI-powered skincare advisor solution on your website, in your mobile app, you are likely to see an average of 2.1x increase in the revenue per visit than if you did not use one. And the same across all these different solutions from, a virtual try for makeup to a foundation finder and so on. And these are real revenue multipliers. So what does this mean in terms of actual real revenue? Let's work through an example really tangibly here. So let's say that, you have 100,000 visitors on your website. Okay, so 100,000 visitors. And let's say that your conversion right now is 3%. And let's say that your AOV or basket size is $50. Okay, so what that means is that right now you are generating, and this is how much revenue you're generating right now. So you're generating revenue. So that's times 3%, and everybody's buying an average of $50. So you're generating $150,000 in revenue right now. Great. So that's your revenue right now. That means that your current revenue per visit or RPV is 150,000 divided by 100,000 visitors. That means it's 1.5. Now, what does this mean? If you were to use, and let's say this is in the skincare category. Now, let's say if you were to use an AI-powered skincare advisor customer experience for your website or your app, what would this mean? Okay, so this is the current status, and this is with AI-powered experiences, and this is particular for skin, right? So again, we're assuming that you have the same amount of visitors. Again, we're not trying to increase the amount of visitors. You got the same amount of visitors over here. So you got this. This is your revenue. This is your revenue per visit. This goes up. So again, this goes up. So it is 1.5. And again, we're averaging a 2.1x increase. So your actual revenue per visitor would be 3.15. So therefore, what you're actually generating in terms of revenue is 100,000 visitors times 3.15. Boom. So that means that if all of your customers would go through this AI-powered experience on your website, you would more than double your revenue. You'd be generating an incremental $165,000 of monthly revenue in this particular example. And that is the real power of AI-powered customer experiences. They are real, tangible revenue and growth drivers for your business, whether you are a brand or whether you're a retailer. And the proof, as they say, is in the pudding. Thanks very much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.